In this video, you will understand about acids and bases. Different foods have different taste. For example, sugar related all the foods taste sweet. Salt makes the food salty. The taste of the food depends on its chemical composition. Based on their chemical nature, substance can be categorized into acids and bases. Generally, acids in food causes a sour taste, whereas bases cause a bitter taste. Let us understand some more things about these substances. Acids. Foods such as lemon, orange, grapes, apple, tamarind and curd are sour in taste. This is due to the presence of the substance in them that are known as acids. Substances that contain acids are called acidic substance. Now let's discuss about the types of acids. Based on their sources, acids may be of two types, organic acid and mineral acids. Acids that are found naturally in plants and animals are called organic acid. Some organic acid and their sources are lactic acid that we get from milk and curd, oxalic acid that we get from tomatoes, citric acid, lemons, orange, ascorbic acid from amla, acetic acid from vinegar, formic acid and sting. So these are organic acids. Acids that are derived from inorganic sources, that means does not come from either plants or animals, are known as mineral acids. We use many mineral acids in the lab like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Based on the strength, acid can be of two types, strong and weak. Highly corrosive acids that cause severe burns on coming in contact with the skin are called strong acids. Most mineral acids, not all, most mineral acids like sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid are strong acid in their concentrated form. Due to their corrosive nature, most strong acids react with metals. That's why these are stored in glass bottles. Acids that are not as corrosive as a strong acid are called weak acid. All organic acids such as citric acid, oxalic acid and some mineral acid like carbonic acid are known as the weak acid. Based on the amount of water present in their solution, acids may be classified into dilute acids and concentrated acid. A solution of an acid that contains a small quantity of water is called a concentrated acid, whereas a solution that contains a larger quantity of water is called a dilute solution, or you can say dilute acids. Adding more water to a concentrated acid can make it dilute. Now let's discuss about different properties and uses of acids. Some property of acids are sour in taste and are soluble in water. They turn the blue litmus paper red. You will understand this topic in detail when we discuss about the indicators. Acids are corrosive in nature. They can cause burns on clothes and skin. They can also damage other materials such as certain metals. That's why acids are stored in glass bottles. Acid react with metal to form salt and hydrogen gas. Acid also react with carbonate to form salt, water and carbon dioxide gas. Acids react with bases to form salt and water. We have so many kinds of uses of acids. Some uses are sulfuric acid is used in a variety of industrial products such as fertilizer, detergent, dye and other chemicals. It is also used in car battery. Hydrochloric acid is used in the processing of steel. It is also used to make household cleaners. Nitric acid is primarily used in the manufacturing fertilizer such as ammonium nitrate, explosive, dye and plastics. It is also used in the purification of gold. So we have so many kinds of acid with different uses. Now let's discuss about the bases. Substance that you can see in your general life such as toothpaste, soap, baking soda, shampoos. These substances are bitter in taste and soapy to touch. These substances contain bases and are called basic substance. Like acids, bases can be of two types, strong and weak. Some of the examples of these strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, whereas weak bases are magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, and copper hydroxide. Some properties of bases are bitter in taste, they feel soapy or slippery to touch, they turn the red litmus paper blue. Some bases, but not at all. Some bases can dissolve in water, and the bases that can dissolve in water are called alkalis. Sodium hydroxide and potassium hydroxide are some examples of alkalis. Like acid, bases are also corrosive in nature and should be handled with care. Bases react with certain metal like zinc, aluminium to form salt and hydrogen gas. You can understand we have so many kinds of uses of bases in our daily life. Some of the uses, we use the detergent and antacid. Sodium hydroxide is a base that is used in making soap, detergent and drain cleaner. Magnesium hydroxide is used as an antacid called milk of magnesia. When an excess of naturally secreted hydrochloric acid in the stomach causes discomfort, a condition that is known as acidity, we use the antacid, react with the acid to form salt and water so that we can get some relief from the symptoms of the acidity. That is known as milk of magnesia, magnesium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide is used in making fertilizer and household cleaning agent. Calcium hydroxide, commonly known as the slaked lime, it is used in making cement, bleaching powder and many more things. In the next video, we will discuss about the pH scale and details about the indicator. Thank you for watching.